Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today we bring you one of the most thrilling and breathtaking supercars ever built, the McLaren 720S Spider. This masterpiece from McLaren combines performance, luxury, and aerodynamic design in a way that makes it stand out in the world of hyper-performance sports cars. The McLaren 720S Spider is not just a car, it is an emotion, a piece of engineering art designed for those who crave speed, precision, and the thrill of open-top driving. The McLaren 720S Spider comes equipped with a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces an incredible 710 horsepower and 770 Nm of torque. With this power, the 720S Spider can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest convertible supercars on the planet. Its top speed reaches up to 341 km/h with the roof up and slightly less with the roof down, giving drivers an exhilarating experience whether they are on the track or the highway. The engine's roar combined with the open-top freedom makes the driving experience unforgettable. One of the biggest highlights of the McLaren 720S Spider is its lightweight carbon fiber monocage 2S structure, which ensures rigidity and safety while keeping the weight as low as possible. This lightweight design allows the car to handle corners with surgical precision, giving the driver complete confidence even at high speeds. The retractable hardtop roof is a masterpiece of engineering itself, taking only 11 seconds to fold away, and it can be operated at speeds of up to 50 km/h. The glass roof option adds even more luxury, allowing natural light to flood the cabin even when the roof is closed. The exterior design of the 720S Spider is pure aerodynamics in motion. Every curve, every line, and every intake serves a purpose, from cooling the powerful engine to channeling air for maximum downforce and stability. The dihedral doors that swing upwards add to the dramatic look and make every entrance feel like a special occasion. The car isn't just about raw performance, it's about turning heads wherever it goes. Step inside the McLaren 720S Spider and you'll find a cockpit designed with the driver in mind. The cabin is minimalist yet luxurious, featuring premium materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather. The digital driver display changes layouts depending on the driving mode, whether it's comfort, sport, or track. The central infotainment system is sleek and intuitive, giving you access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings at your fingertips. Despite being a supercar, the McLaren Spider offers enough comfort for long journeys, with excellent visibility and supportive seating. Driving the McLaren 720S Spider is an experience unlike any other. The steering is razor sharp, the suspension system adapts to road conditions instantly, and the braking performance is exceptional, thanks to carbon ceramic brakes. The proactive chassis control 2 system ensures maximum grip and stability, allowing you to push the car to its limits while still feeling in control. It's a perfect balance between race car performance and road-going usability. The McLaren 720S Spider is not just a car for the racetrack, it's also about enjoying the open road. The freedom of open-top motoring combined with breathtaking acceleration creates an adrenaline rush that few other cars can match. Whether cruising along scenic roads or unleashing its full potential on the track, the 720S Spider delivers an unmatched sense of excitement and prestige. In the world of supercars, very few can match the versatility and excitement of the McLaren 720S Spider. It blends cutting-edge technology, extreme performance, and luxury design in a way that appeals to car enthusiasts and collectors alike. This car represents the future of open-top supercars and stands as one of McLaren's greatest achievements. So, if you are passionate about speed, style, and the unmatched sound of a roaring V8, the McLaren 720S Spider is a car that will leave you amazed. It's not just about driving, it's about experiencing pure performance and innovation in its most beautiful form. That's all for today's video on Autoland 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting reviews of the world's best cars. I will see you in the next video. Do you also want me to add SEO keywords plus hashtags for this McLaren 720S Spider video like I did in your previous requests?